Let's see if this yacht sinks!
Sean, using my credit card, immediately bought a bunch of supplies and began building his defense against Phase 1. 100 cannon shots.
Run me through your plan.
My plan is to build a giant wall, angled to hopefully block the cannon fire.
And after working all throughout the night, into the next morning, and all the way through a complete 24 hours, Sean was going to have to call it.
Because the time is up. Let's go shoot some cannons.
Will his defense protect his new yacht from 100 cannonballs?